Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the app. Then you will see the same menu. And to manage transparency mode, firstly, right here at the first line we have ambient sound control line. Make sure that you enable ambient control, so tap one time at the slider near to it if you disable it. Then click at the transparency mode, this one is the middle icon, and click again. So firstly, we have two modes, transparency and voice mode. So select the best one for you. I prefer using transparency, and now we can manage transparency mode. We can manage this transparency level. You can lower it by move the slider to the right. Right here, as you can see, we have only 4 sections, or just increase it by move this dot to the right. And you can click done or just tap the empty space. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!